Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. Today's video, I'm super excited for this. We have the Yeezy 450 in the colorway Cinder. I have been waiting so long to do a review on these shoes. I really wanted to pick them up for retail because there were so many things I was uncertain about that I'm going to speak in this video today. So I didn't want to get them for resale in the event that I couldn't return them if I didn't like them for XYZ reason. But let's get into it and let's review the Yeezy 450 in the colorway Cinder. So obviously first things first is boxing. I was so surprised when I opened the box that they came in to see this small tiny box. Even the Yeezy Slide box is obviously a lot smaller, but it's still the same shape as, it's like a mini version of the normal Yeezy box. But this box is literally so different and it's in a different shape. It's so compact. So obviously I know the shoes are small, but I still wasn't expecting it to be in this box. But other than that, it is still the same kind of Yeezy box in terms of the same design. We have the model number on the top, and on the side again we have the normal model number made by Adidas, and then on the other side we have the sizing and the colorway, as you can see, which is Cinder. So opening the box as well, I was surprised to see that they have this sticker that actually says made in Germany. Usually they don't have anything, it's just tissue paper. They probably want us to know, you know, that these aren't made in China or whatever. They are made in Germany, I don't know. So here we have the Yeezy 450 silhouette model in the colorway Cinder. Before these actually came out, before they were actually released, I think there was a lot of confusion of what the colorway Cinder would actually look like. We were seeing some kind of two-tone colorways, but in fact they are actually just dark grey, I would say. When this model first actually came out, I just remember seeing all these memes of the shoe looking like dumplings. It was kind of like, what is this? It's not really a trainer, but it is. Like, what is it all about? Is it comfortable? Like, how does it look on foot? It is so different to the other Yeezy. It's not bulky at all. It's very compact. Like, look at that. You can squash it down and it's literally tiny. Whereas all the other Yeezys are very bulky and chunky. This stands out completely to the other Yeezys. I was kind of biding my time over these, and recently I saw some pictures on foot and I thought, wow, they actually look really nice. So I had to try and get my hands on this colorway. I think out of all the colorways as well, I wanted a colorway that was kind of wearable, that you could actually wear with multiple outfits instead of a colorway that is too kind of bright and unique. In terms of materials on the shoe, on the upper we have this knit material, and then obviously we have this spiky midsole, which I think is just, you know, what makes this shoe a little bit crazy. And this is made up of the EVA material, so I'm expecting this to be super comfy. In terms of laces, there's actually kind of nothing too crazy about these laces. We do have the loopholes, as you can see. Inside the shoe we have this hard knitted insole. Again, it's the same color as the whole of the shoe, and again obviously has the logo inside. On the bottom, on the soles of the shoe, we do have a lot of traction as well, which I feel like is needed because there isn't actually too much to this shoe. So after trying them on, I'm actually so surprised at how comfortable they are. They are super comfortable, and I was so surprised at how good they actually looked. I absolutely love them. Like, my mind has done a whole complete 360 to when they first actually came out, and I feel like this colorway as well, as I said before, the reason why I chose this colorway is because it goes with so many things, because it is quite a normal colorway for a crazy shoe. In terms of sizing, the last few Yeezys I've been just so baffled about what size I actually am, and especially because these are a new silhouette that I've never had before, I was so confused about sizing. So I'm here to help you guys if you are trying to get these. So when I actually got them, it says on their Adidas website, the confirmed app, it says these run half size small, so you should get a half size bigger. There was no way I was going up a half size because I've been doing that for my last few Yeezys and they've still been too small. So I thought I'll go a whole size up, and they actually fit perfectly. So I got a size 8 in these when I'm usually a size 7. So if you are looking to get these, go one full size up than your normal size. If I got these in a 7.5, which would be a 0.5 size bigger than my normal size, there's no way they would have fit. They would have been too small. So definitely get a full size up. These come in at £175. In terms of resale, there's not a huge resale mark on them. I have been looking at the dark slate colorway, which is the black colorway, and kind of been thinking, what do I prefer, this gray or the black colorway? And I can't make up my mind because I feel like both of the colorways are very wearable. Please let me know in the comments below what you guys actually think about this silhouette and obviously the colorway, and if anyone actually has any 450s, and most importantly, how much wear do you actually get out of them? Are they an everyday shoe, or are they kind of a shoe that you wear on special occasions? I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with all my latest videos, and I'll see you guys soon.